This Vishnu Chakravarti makes a comment about this Rasa Kranta Vallabha, that this Pragalpa Nayak, she's able to overwhelm her lover with the nectar of Chansana mellows. He said the desire of Krishna's Pragalpa lovers is, this is what Lalita is thinking, or Mangala, or Pali, or whomever. My lover, Sri Krishna, he should always be satisfied with me, because of my profuse ras. So Mangala is speaking, you should pick flowers personally and not make someone else do it. And then she's thinking, on seeing your creation of decorations, when the other gopis see how you've decorated me so beautifully and amazingly, all the young girls will become astonished. So she is called, if a gopi is eager to make Krishna follow her orders, she is called Rasa Kranta Vallabha. So this particular quality, Radharani does that sometimes, makes Krishna follow her orders, but some gopis like Pragalpa, they have this quality all the time. And then I'll read one more quality, number 6. Ati Prodokti. This is the Pragalpa, as I mentioned. Basically, she's heavy, she's full, she's matured, she's bold, she's proud. These are the basic categories. So now they're talking about the speech. So the word that's being used, the word in Sanskrit means bold, B-O-L-D, bold and proud, and is proda, P-R-A-U-D-H-A, proda. So it's very interesting because the English word proud, someone who's proud, usually they're quite bold and maybe kind of hard in their dealings and demanding. So she's proda yukti and proda cheshta. Her actions are proda. Her ukti means uvacha. Ukti means words. Yukti prayukti. Argument and counter argument. And ati means excessive. Ati prodokti. So her words, her ukti, her uvacha, her speech is extremely bold and harsh and ati prod. So this is a very interesting scenario here. That try to envision these. We were in the kunja, and then one gopi is on her way to the kunja, and then she meets Krishna. Now another gopi, she's met Krishna in the kunja, and she says, go pick flowers and decorate me.